In this video I will show you how to create logo mockup in Photoshop. Duplicate the layer. Go to Image, Adjustment, and choose Desaturate. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Set radius to 30 pixels. Go to File, select Save As, and save the PSD file. Delete this layer.
Put your logo. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Distort, choose Displace. Follow the settings. Click here and choose Blending option. Let's take slider to the right. Press Alt to break the slider. Follow the same process. Hit OK. That's it. Hope you liked it.